You wake up exhausted. The alarm is still glowing in the dark as you grab a packaged bar on your way out the door, eating it while staring at a screen. When you lose focus or reach for a snack that afternoon, a familiar guilt sets in. Society often frames these moments as a moral failing or a lack of discipline, but the truth is, you are not broken. Your ancient biology is functioning exactly as it was designed to. The problem is that it's currently trapped in an entirely alien environment. Think of your body as an advanced interpreting machine. It does more than count calories. It constantly reads and reacts to every environmental signal you send it. For most of human history, those signals were clear: daylight, physical effort, and seasonal scarcity. Today, those reliable instructions have been replaced by a chaotic static of glaring artificial light, deep chronic stress, and engineered ultra-processed food. Modern epidemics of obesity and chronic disease represent predictable biological responses to an environment engineered to hijack our survival signals. This foodomat illustrates the shift in our food environment. Whole foods were rapidly replaced by engineered convenience and frictionless access, ensuring energy was always available. This shows insulin resistance. Cells become overwhelmed by constant energy and stop listening to the insulin signal. The body panics, pumping out even more insulin. This elevated state locks the system into storage mode, diverting glucose directly into visceral fat. This high insulin state traps you in a cycle of crashes and deep fatigue. It creates intense cravings that look like a lack of willpower, but are actually driven by your internal chemistry. This noise makes it hard to distinguish between real hunger and emotional hunger. Real hunger builds gradually for energy. But emotional hunger is your nervous system demanding a biochemical anesthetic to mute stress. Chronic overeating is often the brain desperately trying to regulate its stress levels, using the only high-impact tool the modern environment makes instantly available: ultra-processed food. This constant noise leads to silent inflammation. Silent inflammation is a low-grade, persistent alarm state, triggered when the body feels it is under constant, low-level attack. This alarm responds to visceral fat accumulation, a degraded gut microbiome, and the systemic disruption caused by chronic sleep deprivation. Look at how screens colonize our attention. By staring into glowing monitors in the dark, we disrupt our circadian signals, tricking the ancient brain into a state of perpetual daytime stress. This flowchart maps the domino effect. Poor sleep spikes cortisol, the primary stress hormone, which directly alters your appetite hormones to crave energy-dense foods the very next day. Treating these issues in isolation, like just dieting or just taking sleeping pills, fails to address the root. The body operates as an interconnected network, not as separate compartments. We cannot heal a networked system by attacking isolated symptoms. We must lower the total volume of environmental noise to extinguish the silent fire. Restoring the body's signals provides a path forward without relying on fanatical restriction or magic pills. View real food as a communication tool. Eating foods close to their origin restores natural satiety cues because the body recognizes the matrix they arrived in. This circular clock illustrates metabolic rest. Simply stopping the endless grazing cycle and leaving a 12-hour overnight gap gives the cellular system the time it needs to repair. This microscopic view shows the role of movement. Physical movement provides the mechanical force needed to drain excess glucose from your blood, resetting insulin sensitivity. The ultimate goal is to design a personal environment where the default, frictionless choices align with your ancient biology, removing the need for constant willpower. True health represents a return home, allowing a brilliantly designed biological machine to heal itself once the noise is finally cleared.